Yay! Oh, that's one of the start. That's one now. Dali, dance. 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 Yay, dance. Kanta ka. Kanta ka. Dance. Smile. Hi, Mama. Later. Yeah, later you can eat that. Later.
Alright, let's have a game. She's crying already. No, look, MG. Look at the camera, kids. Look at the camera, kids. 3, 2, 1, smile. One more, kids. 3, 2, 1. I want you to smile and show me. Smile, give the biggest smile and show me. Sorry po. One more now, kids. Kids, look at the camera. Look at the camera, kids. 1, 2, look at the cameras. 2, 3, smile. Smile like Jollibee. Alright, okay, kids. Don't go now because we will play. Okay, now, kids. Don't go. Okay, I have a question. I have a question, kids. Who wants to go to Warner Brothers? Who wants to go to Warner Brothers? I will talk asking to the side. And now, who wants to go to Hong Kong Disneyland? Hong Kong Disneyland. Ayun, no? Ayan, dahil dyan, bibigyan tayo ni Mami Maricel ang daditad ng ticket. Hindi sa Jollibee. Hindi po sa amin. Baka mga may magpigil na ng ticket. Oo. Ticket na Abu Dhabi Mall. Hindi na Warner Brothers. Now, kids, our first game, we will call this time Bring Me. Who knows Bring Me? Oh. But Kuya Ruel will explain. Ate Eileen and I will tell a thing or an object. You will get it from your mommy, daddy, tito, or ate and kuya. May nakikita na ako naghahanda na ng bag ni Dora. Talaga naman. Yes, naman. Talaga nag-ready na ng bag ni Dora. Nakita ko si mami naka-red. Binuklat kung kompleto ang dala. Ayoko lamang.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. This is as fast as you can. You will give it to Ate Eileen or me, okay? Okay, now.
Oh, where's the kids now? Come here first. You will start from here. Then you will get it from your mom and bring it to us, okay? The
Okay,
first one
now.
will be the winner, okay? The fastest will be the winner. Our first Jollibee wants you off. Not
Wala.
yet. Not yet. Napaka-competitive na mga kids! Gusto ko magkatawag Disneyland.
Ayun, oh. This time, okay. Let's start the game. This time, Jollibee wants you to bring me a 100 dirhams. 100 dirhams in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 100 dirhams. 100 dirhams. Yun! Ay, ang dami. Dahil dyan, Mami Maricel, meron ka na 100 dirhams. Hindi, joke lang. Sinusol.
Hello, what's your name? Johan, okay. Palakpakan naman natin si Johan. Dahil Johnny will receive gift from Jollibee. Yay! Okay, kids, you still have a chance, okay? Okay? Okay, everyone, come on. Johan, come here. Jollibee wants you to bring a mommy. Be ready? Wait lang. Jollibee wants you to bring a red lipstick and
A red lipstick and red. Red. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's red lipstick.
Is that a red lipstick, Ate Eileen?
Red lipstick. To have a red lipstick. What's your name, Kuya? Thank you so much, Kuya Clarence. Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya.
Oh!
We have more games.
Yes. Now, this time, I want you, Jollibee wants you to bring me a white sock. White sock in 10 seconds. 10. Cooking Megas white sock. 8, 7. Nagtakbo talaga mga bagets natin. Alam ng takbuhan. 4, 3. White sock, white sock. I need a white sock. I need a white sock. Can I show? Can I see? Is that a white sock? White sock!
And what's your name? Kompleto talaga. Okay, dahil dyan you will receive a gift from Jollibee. Ito! Yay! Thank you!
You know? Ayan. Now kids, this is the last one. Jollibee wants you to bring me a... Wait ako, nakabuelo. This time I want you to bring me a wristwatch. Wristwatch or relo. 10, 9, relo. Hello, hello, Bashman Jolly. Welcome to our Mansan Hotel. You know? Oh my God. Ayun, best friend. Jolly, ang inyong best friend. Welcome to our Mansan Hotel. I did. Hello, best friend. Best friend, I'd like you to meet our birthday celebrant, Sassy. And I was together with Mommy and Daddy, of course. Parang naiiyak pa si Mommy. Naiiyak na nakita sa gusto ng Jollibee. Ayun, talaga kalaan naman. Mommy and Daddy, can you come here in the front po? Mommy and Daddy. We will have a picture taking first. Together with family, of course, with Sassy, Mommy, and Daddy. Come on, Mommy and Daddy, when you're in the front to have a picture with our best friend, Jollibee. Dahil nagatirin ay si Mommy Maricel. Nakita niya ang best friend kay Jollibee. Bye! Halika na Mommy, hindi tayo sa gitna. No? Oh, talaga naman. I'm good. Okay, kids, come on. We will take a picture like that. Like that. Come on, kids. I will come. Okay, the final picture first, Mommy and Daddy. Okay, now. 3, 2, 1, and go. Picture. Brandon, body come. Ayun, no? Naaiga si Mami Maricel. Thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy, of course, best friend. Someone, you want to hug it. Join me, hello. Ikaw na. Talagang naman na-amaze. Oh. Okay, isa pa.
Especially ano niya, especially sa question.
Ayun, habang ang picture taking mo sila Mami as Sassy. At meron yung magawa na po, for those who want. Ayun.